And I also forgot to put gloves on. Girl, my hair's so crazy. So I'm retrying out the TCB No Base Cream Hair Relaxer. At first I didn't like it because I just didn't think I did the job, I'm gonna be honest. But I think that maybe I just didn't do enough. I didn't do the most. So this is the part that I want to do today. This is all I want to do. It's a lot. I just want it to be a little easier to manage and not be tangled up so much. If this doesn't work out for me, I'm gonna try one more perm in maybe a couple months. But other than that, I might braid it up this season. But this is the TCB No Base Hair Relaxer with protein and DNA. It's in the super. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, take it out, let you guys know what I think. All right, so I'm not gonna front. I half ASS'd it putting in my hair, so I did not feel like that was the best thing to show you. And I also forgot to put gloves on. Girl, my hair's so crazy. Yeah, so I did end up doing the whole entire head because why would I? Because I don't know about you, but whenever I put a perm in, I'm trying to achieve the point before bone straight so that I can always go back in and just straighten it myself. But like, I'm trying to get that bone straight, you know? Dang, I got a little bit on my forehead too. But yeah, but I did a terrible like job putting it in. I'm not even gonna front. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, this is the finished product. I'm going to show you in the mirror so that you can see. Yes, look at me real period. So I wanted you to see what it looks like fresh out of the shower. Not conditioning, I just detangled it. I came out and I put on the Fakai Protein Mist Balm. This is my absolute favorite. I love this so much, okay? And then I also put on the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, and I put this concentrating on my ends mostly. Also, when I wash this out, I use the Motions Clarifying Shampoo. And honestly, I had to wash that out like 4 or 5 times, okay? So yeah. So don't be like me and think that you can't use the whole bottle. Look, if you're going to be using relaxers, perms, all that type of stuff, use every single thing that you need. I think that the last time that I used the TCB, I literally, it's this, right? So I used maybe a third of this because I was thinking that maybe I should have used the whole thing. I should wait and stretch it, stuff like that. That was my mistake. That was my problem the first time using it. I should have used the entire jar if I needed it. I used a hefty portion. I think there was about 2/3 of the jar left. I used the entire thing, but I have a little bit left over if I want to like touch up my edges. But I just highly recommend that if you have a lot of hair, or if you're trying to figure out your hair, you're learning things about your hair, use all of the products that you need. Use as much as you need, because that's how you're going to figure out how much is too much and how much is too little and stuff like that. So I definitely realized this time around that I needed to just be heavy on the product, being very heavy-handed, and I got the exact results that I wanted. Something that was easy to detangle, something that did not have my hair feeling puffy. It does not feel puffy, feels nice and light, detangled, and so I know when I go in and dry it and when I straighten it, it'll be all good. And yeah, it'll actually hold up and last. So I'm very happy, I'm very satisfied with the TCB. This is the TCB No Base Cream Hair Relaxer with protein and DNA. I do really like this. I actually do recommend it. This is my second time trying it out, and I do recommend this. I would buy it again. Well, and of course, I'll have this linked right here on the video, but I'll also have an Amazon link for you to purchase if that's more convenient for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.